Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video, we're going to be talking about the Dollar General 4-day sale that is coming up this week. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so. And while you're at it, go ahead and do me a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are two quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. And then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, so like I said, we have a 4-day sale going on at Dollar General this week, and this is going to start on Wednesday, October the 26th, and run through Saturday, October the 29th. So just keep in mind there may be a couple of items that you want to throw in with your 5 off $25 scenarios to get an even better deal. Alright, so jumping right in, we have a few candy deals this week. So we have the Dracula Delights bags of candy. These are normally $5 each, but they are going to be on sale. Buy two, get one for 50% off. So you're going to pay $12.50 for all three, making those $4.19 each. Now, also included in this sale, we have the bags of Ghostly Goodies. These are normally $10 each, but they're on sale. Buy two, get one for 50% off. So you're going to pay $25 for three bags, making those $8.33 each. Alright, now for this next deal, this is a big question mark, because in the ad it says that we're going to be getting a new DG store coupon for buy one, get one 50% off on the Ferrero Halloween candies. Now, if that is a DG store coupon, it will stack with this 2 off 2 manufacturer coupon. So if both of those coupons do stack, that is going to leave us paying $5.50 for two. However, we won't know until that coupon pops up on our accounts if that is going to be a manufacturer coupon or a DG store coupon, so just be on the lookout. Alright, next up we have the bags of Betty Crocker fruit roll-ups. These are normally $3.50 each, but during this 4-day sale, they are going to be 2 for $6. Alright, now next up we have a sale on the Mars Jumbo bags of candies. These are normally $14, but they're going to be on sale for $13, and we have a 2 off 10 DG store coupon, so that's going to leave you paying $11. And if you do pick up any of the Mars Wrigley candies, don't forget to scan your receipt into the Fetch Rewards rebate app, because right now on Fetch Rewards we have a couple of different bonuses for the Mars Wrigley candies. Alright, next up we have a sale on the Dr. Pepper, 7-Up, Canada Dry, RC Cola, Sunkist, and A&W 6-packs. They're going to be on sale 4 for $10. And to make this deal even better, we do have a 1 off 3 digital coupon for the Dr. Pepper 6-pack. So pick up a total of 4, use that digital coupon, and you're going to pay $9 for 4. Now, we also have the Pepsi and Mountain Dew 6-packs. They are going to be on sale 4 for $10 as well, which I think is a really good deal. Alright, next up we have the bags of Chex Mix and Garditos. These are normally $2.65 each, but they're going to be on sale 2 for $4, and we have a 50-cent off 2 digital coupons, so that's going to leave you paying $3.50 for 2. Alright, next up we have a sale on the Little Debbie family packs. These are normally $2.55 each, but they're going to be on sale 2 for $5. Alright, so we're about halfway through the deals and coupon matchups, so I just wanted to take a quick second and make sure that everybody's had enough time to leave those smiles down in the comment section below for me, because you all know seeing all of your smiling faces absolutely makes my day, and plus it is a free and easy way that y'all can help support this channel. So if you haven't done that already, right now would be the perfect time to do that. Alright, now next up we have a sale on the Betty Crocker cookie or muffin pouches. These are normally $1 each, and they're going to be on sale. Buy two, get one for free. So that's going to leave you paying $2 for 3 bags. Alright, now we're also going to have a sale on the Kibbles and Bits dry dog food 13-pound bags. These are normally $11.50 each, but they're going to be on sale for $10. Now, here's a quick little coupon matchup deal that y'all can do, and keep in mind you can throw this in with a 5 off 25 for Saturday. So pick up one 13-pound bag of the Kibbles and Bits dry dog food at $10, and one of the Pepperoni dog treats at $2.25. We have a 2 off 2 DG store coupon for the Kibbles and Bits and Pepperoni products, and then we also have a 50-cent off 1 manufacturer coupon for the Pepperoni treats. So that's going to leave you paying $9.75 for both products. Alright, next up, here's another deal for our fur babies. We have the Forever Pals brand. We have the small leash, the large dog collars, the squeaky plush toys, the infinity rope rings, or the variety toy pack 4-count. These are going to be on sale. Buy one, get one 50% off. Alright, next up we have the Dawn sponges and kitchen brushes, as well as the True Living kitchen utensils. These are going to be on sale. Buy one, get one 50% off. All right, now next up, here's a really good deal and a great idea for Christmas presents. We have the Toastmaster appliances. These are normally $15 to $18 each, but during this 4-day sale, they're all going to be just $6. So on each one, that is over 50% off. Now, we also have a sale on the Glade candles, the scented oil starter kits, or the wax melts. These are normally $4 each, but they're going to be on sale for $3.75. And then we also have the Mr. Clean Super Strength Cleaner 1-gallon jugs. These are normally $6, but they're going to be on sale for $5. And last but certainly not least, we have a sale on the Scott bathroom tissues, Comfort Plus 6 big rolls. These are normally $3.25 if my memory serves me correctly, but they're going to be on sale for $2.95. Now, unfortunately, that one-off-one Scott Digital did expire on Saturday, but I still think this is a pretty good deal. And don't forget that we do have instant savings right now on Scott brand products. So when you spend $16 on Scott products, you're going to instantly save $3 at the register. And of course, don't forget, if you do pick up any of these Scott brand products, to scan your receipt into the Fetch Rewards rebate app, because right now on Fetch Rewards we have rebates for the bathroom tissues as well as the paper towels. Now, if you're not already signed up for Fetch Rewards, I don't know what you're waiting on. This is the easiest rebate app out there, and I highly recommend it, especially if you're a new couponer, because you don't have to worry about anything with Fetch. You don't have to add anything onto your account. You don't have to keep up with anything. All you have to do is go shopping. Once you're done shopping and you have your receipt, take a picture of it with the Fetch Rewards app, and you're going to earn points no matter what. Every receipt earns points, and then you can turn those points into gift cards. Now, if you're not already signed up, my referral code is on the screen here as well as down in the description box below. And if you use it, you're going to receive a free 2,000 points, which is the equivalent of $2. Now, if you guys are looking for some more deals to do this week, don't forget to go back and check out my previous videos. I did upload the Dollar General new coupons video where we go over all of the best coupon matchups. I show you guys what to clip to your account, what not to clip to your account, plus we talk about glitches, and we have overage this week. So I'm going to have that video linked in the pinned comment down below. And then I also uploaded a video this morning for Walgreens. We have a run pickup deal, no coupons needed. I picked up a total of 27 items for just 3 cents each. So definitely make sure that you go back and check out both of those videos, and like I said, they will be linked in the pinned comment down below. Now, one more quick reminder before you all go, we do have the 30,000 subscriber giveaway going on right now. I'm going to be choosing 5 winners on Saturday to receive a $20 gift card for Amazon or Walmart. So y'all make sure that you are subscribed, turn on those notifications, hit that thumbs up button, and leave a bunch of smiles down in the comments underneath each and every video this week, and you will have multiple chances to win a $20 gift card. Alright guys, so that is it for me for now. I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and again, before you go, if you're not already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that big red subscribe button that's right down below this video, and do me a huge favor, hit the thumbs up, and leave a smile down in the comment section below, because those are 2 quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel, and then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a wonderful day, and I will see you on the next one.